Rod Rodney 25, just giving a reminder that I am not doing a Thursday night live chat tonight. You will be able to swing over to Indian Head Valley Railroad's channel at 7 p.m. Eastern and join Wilmer for a Thursday night live chat. He is filling in for me because I will be leaving here pretty soon from the house to travel down to my girlfriend's house, and we are leaving tomorrow morning for New Jersey, Logan Township, New Jersey to be exact, to go to her rabbit show where they show rabbits and judge them. She will be taking rabbits along because that's her hobby, and that will be Saturday morning, probably about around 9 when they usually start. So I will be going all weekend. Don't forget to join our cousin Benny Friday night, which would be tomorrow night, at 8 p.m. or as a lot of us know him as BNSF 6951. So make sure you join him Friday night at 8 Eastern. But make sure you go over tonight to Wilmer's Indian Head Valley Railroad channel at 7 p.m. for the Thursday night live stream that he is filling in to do for me. So I'll catch you later, guys. Everybody be safe. It's supposed to be bad weather where I'm going, so hopefully, nothing will get in the way with us driving and everything, but, we've been through worse. So, catch you later, and don't forget to check out Wilmer, Indian Head Valley Railroad tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern, and tomorrow night, BNSF 6951 with the Cuz, 8 p.m. Eastern. Bye for now, guys. Everybody have a safe weekend.